Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter in biology, that is life processes. The topic today we are going to cover is nutrition. The syllabus for biology for session 2020 to 2021 is life processes, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution, our environment and management of natural resources. What are life processes? All living organisms perform some basic functions to keep themselves alive. These basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life are called life processes. Some life processes are nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, control and coordination, growth and movement, and reproduction. These are the life processes which need energy. Excretion, the removal of waste; respiration, the inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide; the movement of organism from one place to another, and the balance between our brain and our body; and reproduction, in which new progeny is produced. These all are the life processes which need constant energy. Students, as you all know the difference between living things and non-living things. Living things require constant energy for doing different type of processes. For that, they need some energy, and that energy is obtained from food we eat. And in that food are present nutrients. The process of taking up of nutrients is called nutrition. What are nutrients? Materials which provide nutrition to organisms are called nutrients. There are two types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the nutrients which are needed in a very large quantity, like carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Micronutrients are the nutrients which are required in small amounts, like minerals and vitamins. Students, you have already learned what are nutrients. Nutrients can be obtained by two modes. First is autotrophic mode of nutrition, and second one is heterotopic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is a type of nutrition in which an organism prepare its own food by the help of carbon dioxide and water. This process can be seen in green plants and blue-green algae. The photosynthesis equation is given below, in which 6 carbon dioxide molecules react with 6 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in plants. It imparts green color to plants and trees. It produces 1 glucose molecule, which is a type of carbohydrate, and 6 molecules of oxygen. Oxygen is a byproduct, means oxygen is evolved during the process of photosynthesis. The other type of nutrition is heterotopic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism takes food from another organism is called heterotopic mode of nutrition. Heterotopic nutrition can be further divided into 3 types: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which an organism takes its food or nutrients from dead and decaying organism. As sapro means rotten. In the picture given below, a fungi is growing on bread. It means fungi is taking its nutrient from a decaying bread. So it is an example of saprophytic mode of nutrition. The other type of nutrition is parasitic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, an organism is dependent on other organism. That other organism is often known as host. The organisms which derive their nutrition from other organisms are called parasites, and the type of nutrition is called parasitic mode of nutrition. Like mosquito, like leech, they all suck blood from other organisms, and they may harm these organisms in this process. So that type of nutrition is called parasitic mode of nutrition. The other type of heterotopic mode of nutrition is holozoic nutrition. Holo means entire and zoon means animal. In holozoic nutrition, the digestion happens inside the body of the animals, that is after the food is ingested. Like in humans or in amoeba, as you can see in the picture given below, amoeba is taking a food particle by the help of its pseudopodia, and after engulfing the food, the process of digesting that small particle takes place inside the body of amoeba. Like in humans, we engulf or intake or ingest our food, and then the process of digestion takes place in our body. So that type of mode of nutrition is called holozoic mode of nutrition. So that's all for today, students. A worksheet is given over here. You have to complete this worksheet. Thank you, students. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay safe.